अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू लर्न विद हैना। अगर आप भी इंटरेस्टेड हैं फॉर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए तो आज ही जुड़ जाएं लर्न विद हैना के साथ। यहाँ आपको बताया जाएगा कि किस तरह मौसर हिकमत अमली और स्टडी प्लान के ज़रिए वक्त में बेहतरीन तैयारी की जा सकती है। वीडियो कंप्यूटर इंस्ट्रक्टर सीरीज़ का हिस्सा है। अगर आप मेरी दीगर मज़ामीन पर बनी वीडियोस देखना चाहते हैं तो लाजमी विज़िट करें चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट को। इस वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे एडवांस सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग एमसीक्यूज, थ्योरी ऑफ कंप्यूटेशन, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड बूलियन लॉजिक, वेब टेक्नोलॉजीज, कंपाइलर डिज़ाइन एंड साइबर सिक्योरिटी एंड एथिक्स, कंप्यूटर आर्किटेक्चर एंड पास्ट पेपर। तो वीडियो को आखिर तक ज़रूर देखें। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं हमारी आज की सीरीज़ को। लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम एडवांस सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग एमसीक्यूज. So here's the question number 101. Which model is based for changing requirements? So the right option is D. Prototype model is based for changing the requirements. Question number 102. The final phase of STLC is, so the right option is maintenance. The maintenance is the final phase of STLC cycle. Question number 103. SRS stands for, so the right option is B. Software Requirements Specification. Question number 104. Risk management is a part of, so the right option is C. Project planning. Question number 105. Which diagram shows object interactions? So the right option is C. Sequence diagram. Here are the MCQs of theory of computation. Question number 107. Regular expressions cannot describe. So the right option is B. In recursive language, the regular expression cannot be described. Question number 108. Which grammar type generates regular languages? So the right option is D. Type 3. Question number 109. CFG is accepted by, so the right option is P. DA. Question number 110. Halting problem is, so the right option is C. Undecidable. Artificial intelligence MCQs. 11. Expert systems use, so the right option is B. Rule based knowledge. Question number 112. Which is a type of learning in artificial intelligence? So the right option is C. Supervised is a type of learning in artificial intelligence. Question number 113. Alpha, beta, pawning is used in, so the right option is C. Game trees. Question number 114. Which algorithm is used in pathfinding? So the right option is D. Both A and C. Question number 115. Which one is not a component of artificial intelligence? So the right option is D. Compiling. Whereas learning, perception and reasoning, these all are the components of artificial intelligence. Number systems and Boolean logic MCQs. Question number 116. 2's complement of 0101 is, so the right option is A. Question number 117. Decimal of binary 10010 is B. Question number 118. Which gate gives output 1 when inputs are different? So the right option is C. Exclusive OR gives output 1 when the inputs are different. Question number 119. Which of these is a universal gate? So the right option is C. NAND gate is a universal gate. Question number 120. Gray code of 3 is, so the right option is A. Here are the MCQs of web technologies. Question number 121. HTML stands for, so the right option is C. Hypertext Markup Language. Question number 122. Which tag defines a hyperlink? So the right option is B. Question number 123. Which protocol is used for secure web access? So the right option is C. Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. Question number 124. JavaScript runs on, so the right option is B. Client. Question number 125. In CSS, color red sets. The right option is C. Font color. Question number. Here are the MCQs of system software and as well compiler design. So question number 126, a compiler translates. So the right option is A, high level into machine code. Question number 127, lexical analysis phase outputs. So the right option is B, tokens. Question number 128, intermediate code is used in. So the right option is C, portability. Question number 129, parser builds. So the right option is B, parse tree. Question number 30, which error is caught in semantic analysis? So the right option is C, meaning. Cybersecurity and ethics MCQs. Question number 131, a virus is a malware. Question number 132, Trojan horse hides in. So the right option is D, trusted programs. Question number 133, encryption ensures. So the right option is B, privacy. Question number 34, SSL is used to. So the right option is B, encrypt web traffic. Question number 135, which is not an attack type? So the right option is C, hashing. Whereas phishing, spoofing, and malware, these all are the type of attacks. Past paper. Question number 136, who is known as the father of computer? So the right option is B, Charles Babbage. Question number 137, which is an input device? So the right option is C. These are very simple MCQs. बट समटाइम क्या होता है कि हमारे जो सिंपल MCQs है वो भी पेपर्स में आ जाते हैं, सो यू हैव टू डू it very carefully. Question number 138, the device that processes data is. So the right option is B, CPU. Question number 139, internet is an example of. So the right option is A, wide area network. Question number 140, cache memory is. So the right option is C, it's a fastest memory. Computer architecture MCQs. Question number 141, von Neumann architecture uses. So the right option is B, shared memory for code and data. Question number 142, which register stored address of next instructions? So the right option is A, program counter. Question number 143, ALU stands for. So the right option is B. Question number 144, instruction cycle includes. So the right option is D, fetch, decode, execute. All are the instruction cycles. So these all are included in instruction cycles. Question number 145, bus in a computer is used to. So the right option is C, transfer data. Question number 146, the main protocol used for browsing websites on the internet is. So the right option is C, hypertext transfer protocol. Question number 147, the organization responsible for assigning domain names is. So the right option is B. Question number 148, which of the following is not a web browser? So the right option is D, WhatsApp. Whereas Mozilla, Google, Internet, these all are the types of web browsers. Question number 149, the part of website's URL that identifies type like .com organization is called. So the right option is B, domain suffix. Question number 150, the main function of web server is to. So the right option is C, serve web pages to users. So thank you so much for watching my channel. Subscribe to my channel Learn with Hanna.